The world-renowned lock-making industry in Aligarh employs a large workforce. This includes both Hindus and Muslims. Today in our series of beautiful examples of communal harmony from across the country, we will take a look at how the lock-making industry of Aligarh has been propagating the message of peace and brotherhood.
India has always been a land of peaceful coexistence and a multicultural societal framework. Be it any state, city or territory, people of different religions have been residing harmoniously. One such city is Aligarh in the northern state of Uttar Pradesh, whose centuries-old lock-making industry is famous all around the world. Apart from producing world-class clocks, the industry presents a unique example of communal harmony in the country. Aligarh has a mixed population of Hindus and Muslims, and they have been working together since ages to make this industry stronger by the day.
सभी तरह के लेबर मेरे पास रहती है, क्योंकि मुसलमान भाई किसी चीज़ के एक्सपर्ट हैं, दूसरा समाज का किसी चीज़ का एक्सपर्ट है, तो हर आदमी अपने अपने फ़न का फ़नकार है। तो सभी से मिल कर के हमारी इंडस्ट्री चलती है। तो हमें तो जो है हर समय अपने सभी वर्करों का ध्यान रखना पड़ता है और उनको भी समय से पैसा देना पड़ता है। उनकी ईद हमारी ईद है, हमारी दिवाली उनकी दिवाली है। उनको ये महसूस नहीं होने देते कि भाई कोई चीज़ किस ज़माने में जिए।
Aligarh city has been making locks since the Mughal period, but when the British came, they streamlined it into a major economic activity. At the turn of the 20th century, Aligarh was already producing 500,000 locks per annum, valued at Rs 2,76,000. H.R. Neville District Gazetters of the United Provinces Agra and Oudh Aligarh 1926. Buoyed by its success, the British government set up a metal workshop here in 1926 to train artisans in lock making. In the coming few decades, every family in the district and lakhs in neighbouring ones had at least one member associated with the industry. Since ages, Hindus and Muslims have thrived together due to their bond of love and their passion for lock making. This passion has taught them to live together harmoniously. This wave of brotherhood has affected everyone in the city, and people of different religion reside together with utmost love and peace.
ऐसा कोई हिंदू मुसलमान वाली बात कोई है नहीं, व्यवहार अच्छा है इनका। समझे? मैं तो अपने इनके घर की फैमिली की तरह ऐसे रहता हूँ ना, कोई ऐसी भेदभाव वाली बात नहीं। समझे? जो ईमानदारी की बात है, कारीगरों का ख्याल भी रखते हैं।
India, home to multiple religions and languages, is known for its diversity. Peaceful coexistence and regard for other religions is an integral part of the Indian ethos. And examples like these only reinforce our beliefs in the secular fabric of our country.